One of the most requested videos that I've had in the last few weeks is how do you actually set up from Apex funding to Tradeovate to TradingView so you can actually execute your trades with all of your indicators and everything that you're used to from within TradingView. So I'm going to walk you through exactly how to set this up from getting an Apex account to logging into Tradeovate, going to the add-ons section and getting TradingView linked, and then going into TradingView to log in via Tradeovate so you can actually execute off that platform. In standard YouTube content creator fashion, I would please encourage you to subscribe. And then also, if you need to connect with me or the community, we have over 2,100 members in under 3 weeks since we set up our Discord, and it's the first link in the description of this video. But let me show you how you get set up with Apex and Tradeovate and link it all with TradingView so you can execute your trades. So this right here is Apex Trader Funding. I use Apex Trader Funding. I have a partnership with them. I have a community that uses Apex Trader Funding. So if you guys are interested in getting started with them, you can use my promo code QuantCrawler. You'll get 80% off all your accounts. And right now on Black Friday, you'll get 90% off a $100,000 account. That's not why you're here though. But let me show you, you need to have an account using that promo code in order to be able to use Tradeovate with TradingView. So here's what you do. You're on apextraderfunding.com. You can read all about everything they have, their minimum trading days, all of this stuff. And then you need to pick, do you want to go with a wealth charts plan, a rhythmic plan, or Tradeovate? I personally go with Tradeovate because that's just what I prefer. You can go with any of these you want as long as they connect in with TradingView if that's where you want to trade. So let's go to TradingView and verify this. Okay, so once you're in TradingView and you're looking at any ticker you want, you just come down to the trading panel in the bottom left-hand corner. If you didn't see where that was, let me do it one more time. Right down here, trading panel, right underneath the big long time frames. Trading panel, bottom left. Now, you're going to look Tradeovate right here. I already have it starred. In here, there is no rhythmic. You have Ninja Trader. A lot of people like Ninja Trader. And there is no wealth charts. So if you pick one of those, you cannot link them with TradingView because they don't have this integration in here. You have to go with Tradeovate if you want to trade, or any of these other ones. But I'm talking Apex specific. If you are on Apex and you don't go with Tradeovate, you cannot connect in with Apex Trader Funding. You come through here, you pick your account. Let's just say, you go with these. Now, keep in mind, this says 187,000 or $187 a month. You click this, it brings you into your account, and then this is what you're going to see. You sign up, you register. I've already done this, so I'm not going to walk you through the whole entire thing, but this at the top is creating your Tradeovate account as well. Apex Trader Funding, 50K full size Tradeovate at the top. So then you fill all this out, you click login, and you just do like you would imagine, you just log in. I will just show you guys right here a 50K contract, 187 for each month. You click I agree. In the coupon code, you put QuantCrawler, and then you check this box here at the bottom and you click next. Once you move to this next screen, this is where you will see that it's not $187, it's $37.40. And then you get the first month at $37.40. Then the next month is $93.50. So the first month is 80% off. The second month is 50% off of this price right here. And then you also have a $40 activation fee, which is part of this promo right now. So you would in total have a $50,000 account once it's funded for $77.40. You go through, you set all of this up, and then when you go back to your dashboard, you will see that you have all of your accounts. Over here on the right-hand side is your Tradeovate account. When it's activated, it will be in here and you click this Setup Tradeovate button. I've blocked out my username just for extra security, but right here is where you would go. And then you click this button right here, Setup Tradeovate. It then brings you to this page right here. Before you get started, please note, if you sign up on a weekday, the account will be activated at 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So it's telling you here then how to get started. Find your platform username and password on the dashboard homepage. That's where we just were, where I had it highlighted on the bottom right-hand side, where I redacted my username. That's your login. You can also see your password right there too. Please log in and sign the non-professional subscriber agreement and other required documents before attempting to connect to any trading platform. Failure to complete, yada, 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 delayed data, blah, blah, blah. Click here for instructions on how to set up Tradeovate and Ninja Trader 8. So let's click it. It then right here gives you a whole entire walkthrough of exactly how you set it up. Logging into Tradeovate, enter your credentials, find these credentials. So this gives you a walkthrough. It tells you right over here where you can find within Apex. This is a little dashboard screenshot. Then you come into Tradeovate. and all of this stuff. I'm going to go to Tradeovate as well right now, and I will show you exactly how you do this as well. You can get to your full PDF walkthrough that you need right here on Apex, and it will walk you through exactly how to do it. But let's just say, hey, Aaron, I'd rather just watch your video. You show me how to do it. And I say, yes, boss, let's go do it. You will come to trader.tradovate.com once you have your credentials. Do not come to this page if you do not have your credentials, because there's nothing you will be able to do. You get here with your credentials in hand, in writing, whatever you prefer, username, password, login. Again, I've redacted mine. You just enter your username under username, password here, login. You're right here. You click access simulation because you're selecting a trading mode. You are in a simulation environment. Now you get in here. Some people prefer this. I don't enjoy this disaster in any way. I know you can move it around. I know you can whatever. I don't trade in here. I don't care. I don't want to. You can't convince me that this is more beautiful than TradingView. It's not going to happen. Up here under accounts, you can see all of your accounts. I have way too many. Don't tell anybody, especially my wife, that I have this many. On the right-hand side over here, you have application settings. You have this. Application settings is the one you want. Click it. It brings you in right here. All of your accounts. You can change your risk settings. You can do daily loss limits, weekly loss limits, daily profit triggers, weekly profit triggers. You can set your own individual things in here if you'd like to, but you don't have to. Here's the thing you need to do within here. You need to come to add-ons. And under add-ons, you need to click TradingView. It's free. You click active. Or activate, excuse me. Mine says active because it's already done. And this says right here, enable TradingView to access your Tradovate account, both live and sim, to use in conjunction with Tradovate's install web and mobile versions. No additional order routing fees apply. Valid TradingView subscription is required, so on and so forth. This is how you can set up. You can then come over here, Order Flow Plus. You can activate this, free indicators. You can activate all of this stuff in here to get your account set up how you would like to. So the other thing you can do is come to subscriptions. Right here, I have market data. It's up to you on if you want it or not. You pick. This is all you right here. So while we're here, this will also cover another question. Let's leave Tradeovate alone for just a moment and come back to Apex. You are back here in Apex and you see your active evals and your active full-on accounts that are funded. If you come into trading tools and resources right here, click it. It brings you to the trading tools page, as one would imagine. Right here, trade copier, trade multiple accounts with a single click. This is how with Apex, you can link all of your accounts to copy trade each other. So when you're back in Tradeovate right here, and you see all of these accounts right here, if you want to have every single one of these accounts copy trade, you could have with Apex up to 20 full funded accounts all copy trading each other. They're the highest you can have of any prop firm copy trading each other. You could literally make one trade on one account and all 20 accounts or 19 outside of the one you were on are all doing the exact same thing. You set it up right here under trade copier. You click it and it brings you Ninja Trader, Tradeovate, and TradingView Trade Copier. You scroll down here, you sign up, you get a 75% discount. I don't remember how much this was when I did it, so if we click sign up now, it should tell us the price. Right here, Apex Trade Copier, $150 for life for 2 computers. Discounted price, 75% off, now only $150. So it's a one-time fee that you pay on your account of $150 to be able to trade copy. You go through, you fill this out just like you would do any other sign up. Under trading tools as well on Apex, they have all of these here and read market order flow with Tick Strike, get 30-day free education tools, automate your trades with Markers Plus. Like there's so much stuff you can do in here. Trade mobile, have a backup PC, yada, yada. Is your computer fast enough for trading? That's kind of silly. Auto trading bots. There's everything in here you can click through and set up if you want. And this is all from Apex. This is all from your membership information dashboard right down here, bottom right, trading tools and resources, trading rules, required training, so on and so forth. So once you have gone through and set up your Tradeovate account, you've went to add-ons and you have activated TradingView. When you're in here, all you need to do is click the bottom left-hand trading panel, click it, click Tradeovate, enter in your credentials and be in demo mode, and then click connect. Now at this point, you're in here, you're in Tradeovate, you can go into your settings, you can export data, you can then click this drop down right here and see all of your accounts so you can pick which one you want to trade in. And then you have your account summaries, you have notifications if you took a trade, any open orders, and you go through here. So when you are back here on the actual charts, when you click buy, and you set this up with Tradeovate right here, this is their interface. When you set this up, this trade is going, it's live. So that's how you integrate from Apex to Tradeovate to TradingView. So that right there is a quick overview of how you get set up with Apex, integrate everything with Tradeovate and TradingView, and also set up your trade copier within Apex itself. If you guys have any questions, please reach out to me on Discord or anybody in the community can help. We have been growing this quickly to over 2,100 people in the last 3 weeks, and we would love to see you in there.